Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start with my Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Barcelona and I'm applying this with a beauty blender, and I apply it from the center outwards just so I use a lot less product. I'm then going to set that with the Soap & Glory powder. This is a yellow toned powder. And it looks like we're moving on really quickly. We are going to use the Morphe 35P palette, and I'm just taking a warm shade and applying that to the socket with a nice fluffy brush. But I'm going to carry on doing this a few times and build up the intensity that I want, and then I'm going to move on to using a smaller brush with a darker shade, and that way I'm getting colour precisely where I want it, and I'm going to get a little bit more intensity as well. So by using a smaller brush, we can really deepen up that socket area. I'm then going to take a Kiko eyeshadow. I'll put all the names below, and I'm going to use that basically to just add a little bit of brightness in the inner corners, and I'm not going to apply any to my brow bone, only because I'm going to use like a matte shade for that, but I like applying a gold eyeshadow to the inner corners. It just brightens everything up. And then I'm going to use an e.l.f. eyeshadow. This is the Molten Liquid eyeshadow. I love these. I love liquid eyeshadows. I love cream eyeshadows. They are just my go-to for a quick, effortless look. I'm applying that all over my lid area, and I'm going to use a blending brush to basically blend that all out across the lid. It looks a little messy, but I kind of like that, and I think it works with these kind of tones. I am then going to use this gorgeous eyeshadow. This is also from Kiko. It's this gorgeous copper eyeshadow, and these eyeshadows you can use wet and dry, but here I'm just using it dry. Then I'm going to take my Super Cat liner. This is from Soap & Glory. I love this liquid liner. I think it's one of the best apart from the Loreal carbon liner. This is one of my favorite liners. And I'm taking a pencil brush, and I'm basically going to do what I love doing and what I find that's more flattering for me right now. And that is basically blending out the liquid liner up into that copper eyeshadow. And what you can do here, look, depending on your eye shape, you can wing it out, you can drag it up, or you can drag it down. So my eyes droop down slightly, so I like to just lift it just on that corner, ever so slightly up. Then I'm going to, well, I put on lashes, and I actually lost the footage from me doing my contouring and blush, but here I am. I'm just doing it again for you guys just for effect. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and for blush I use the Coastal Scents palette. Then I took the e.l.f. highlighter. This highlighter, at first I didn't think much of it because it kind of separates when you apply it on your hands, but it is absolutely stunning, and it's really inexpensive as well. I apply it to the usual places, the very high points of my face. So I'm applying it to the tops of my cheeks, my tip of my nose, a little bit to the brow bone, a little bit above the brow bone as well, anywhere that I want to basically lift. Then I'm going to take the same Kiko eyeshadow we used in the inner corner, and I'm just going to layer that on top just for added effect, really. I'm going to take the first lip option, which is going to be Cork lip liner by MAC. This is one of those lip liners that can look a little bit greyish brown, on the greyish brown side, but it works really well with lipsticks that you find hard to wear, especially if you're Asian or my skin tone. For example, this lipstick is Peach Stock by MAC, which would look absolutely awful on me if I was to wear it on its own. But using the lip liner, you can basically get away with wearing any shade, especially if you choose a darker lip liner. This is going to help just give like a natural contoured effect to my lip. NYX gloss. This is Praline. It's absolutely like one of my favorite glosses, and it's so inexpensive as well. So that's lip option number 1. Now on to number 2. I'm using MAXX Beet lip pencil because I couldn't find cherry. Otherwise I think I would have used cherry lip pencil. It's more of like a fiery red, and Beet is more kind of like a deep red, kind of goes well with Russian red from MAC. And then I'm using this lipstick. This is Tom Ford's Wild Ginger, and it packs a punch. It is really, really intense. So I definitely had to take my time making sure that my lip line and everything was as perfect as I can get it. And yeah, that was the 2 lip options. Let me know which one you guys preferred. Oh, here I am also. I'm applying Kiko Copper eyeshadow to my lips just to tie the whole look together. But yeah, apart from that, I'm pretty sure that was it. But yeah, let me know which look you guys preferred, whether you preferred the nude lip or the fiery orange red lip. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.